It, ma'am.
So, very good evening, everyone, and I welcome to Bright English Speaking Classes.
Good
Yes,
evening,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good evening.
So,
Yes,
I,
ma'am. Good evening.
I hope you are doing well
Good
in
evening, ma'am.
studies. I hope you are doing well in your
Excuse me,
studies.
ma'am.
Excuse?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, can
ma'am.
you repeat again? What did you say? Because there is.
I didn't say anything. I was just introducing all of you. I was saying hello to everyone. So, well, students, let's have a discussion on the topic AI. So, what formally you believe that can AI replace humans? So, all of you, please give your
No.
answers, your opinions. What do you reckon? Yeah, please.
So, ma'am, can I start with my POV?
Yeah, please
What I think
tell
about
your
that.
name and class, and then you can give your opinion.
Okay, my name is Mansha, and I study in class 12. And today I want to talk about AI. Can AI replace humans? So my POV is that yeah, in most of the jobs like that can, and just 1 year ago, Microsoft fired their over 30,000 employees because they didn't need them, and after replacing them, AI replaced them in Microsoft like that company, Bill Gates company. Bill Gates is not Bill Gates. So like I want to say like not the all jobs like artists cannot like artists are like artists cannot be replaced, but most of the jobs can be like they can be replaced. So my view is that not every, but a little, like most of them can be replaced. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, Arif, thank you so much for your opinion, and I appreciate that. Uh, Despite of just a class 5 student, you shared your opinion very well. But I have one feedback for you that don't use a single word again and again. There was a lot of repetitions of word like this,
Yeah,
like that.
because I don't know why my tongue is twisting a lot. I don't know.
Yeah. So please try not repeating things again. Yeah. Next. Would love to
Yes,
share.
ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah.
So, thank you so much for giving this opportunity, ma'am. So, before doing this topic, as you know, all AI is the topic, ma'am. So, I just I just honest and privileged to all because I am a member of such a good group. So, yeah, today topic is AI. So, ma'am, AI nowadays, AI replacing human job. So, I think before 1 month there is a news in USA, ma'am. So, the company name is Oracle. So, when they are like sleeping now, when they wake up from bed, suddenly they got a message of of resignation, ma'am, through the mail. So, I think 35,000 people are lost a job, ma'am. So it's a bad news. So that again, ma'am, every parts have pros and cons. So I think AI also have. So we whatever content we want to upload in AI, we should very careful, ma'am. So before uploading, we should read the like content very wisely. Otherwise, AI will harm you. It's my opinion, ma'am. And the creation of AI, it's unbelievable, ma'am. It's phenomenal. So we are not disagree. AI becoming a integral or undivided part nowadays. So yeah, AI nowadays playing a vital role in our life,
Vital.
but vital role in our life, and there is a negative point. Child also using abroad level in immense level AI,
Children.
so
Huh?
it's not
Children.
good thing. Yes, still, and if AI we are using very wisely, then it's good for us. Thank you, ma'am.
Very well, Ajit. I appreciate that you elaborated, you elucidated you articulated your mind very well. But you also don't repeat word ma'am, ma'am, ma'am. No need to say that ma'am, ma'am, ma'am. Okay? I'm all ears. Whenever all of you speak, I'm always all ears. Huh? And especially when you are
Okay.
listen, when you tell about something in past, then stick to was or were, and generally you actually mess up this was and were sometimes, to be very honest. आप was की जगह were की जगह ऐसे कॉम्प्लिकेट कर देते थोड़ा verbs को, तो प्लीज पे अटेंशन ऑन द एप्रोप्रिएट वर्ब, थोड़ा ध्यान से, ठीक है? फाइन.
Okay, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट.
Ma'am, may
या
may I?
श्योर गो अहेड.
Good evening, folks. My name is Shyam Singh, and I study in class 6. Today's topic is AI. Can AI replace human jobs? In my point of view, and frankly speaking, that AI can replace human jobs, and it can also replace armies now, as China has also created a robot army. The army jobs are also replaced by AI, as China created military force of robots. Means many lakh robots had been created nowadays in China.
Wonderful, Shreyansh. That was very intriguing and very insightful. As he gave an example also of Chinese army. Yeah, that's absolutely true that China has built robotic army. So obviously, there are so many places where AI comfortably can replace humans. But as Arav, Omanch also said that skill based jobs, so for them human are very important. Yeah, let's move on to the next participant. Yeah, please tell your name.
Ma'am, can
Yeah, sure.
I?
Sure, Samaksh.
Yes, my name is Samaksh Sharma. I study in class 6th. Today's the topic is on AI. AI can replace human jobs. Yes, AI can change human jobs, but we should use it wisely. As a slogan goes, that AI is a useful tool, but it can be dangerous. We should use it for purposes, and we should not use it for the bad, means it can be very harmful to us.
Very well, Samaksh.
It is very useful in studies, jobs, but it can also harmful.
Yeah,
It can hack our mobiles.
it could be harmful if you not use it wisely. You know, it could be harmful.
Yes,
Yeah, very good, Samaksh.
yes, ma'am.
Well done.
It
Yes,
can also hack our phones and information.
absolutely, absolutely correct. Yes. Yeah, next. Anybody?
Okay, ma'am, मैं बोलती हूँ.
Let me try. Let
I
me try.
want to say,
Okay. Yeah.
AI stand on artificial intelligence. It is a technology that help machine think like learn like humans, and AI can answer uh, questions, translate language, and with any task, and it is good, but also dangerous. We should use it very careful. ChatGPT is also example of AI.
Absolutely, Lavanya. Very nice. Very good try. Very good try. Yes, next. Deepti, Mayank, Ekansh, Ayush.
Next name I have
Yeah,
my
yeah, come on.
ma'am in China ma'am in the China there is new technology because there is iPhone. If we do like this, it, it can be click the photo, but it can be harmful for us because the phone that it can be blasted, and there is too much news of this phone made in China that because the phone is blasted like that.
It could blast. Better, it could blast anytime. Okay? Very good.
last in any time.
Very good. Yeah, Deepti.
My name is Deepti. I study in class 6th, and the topic is AI can replace human jobs. Yeah, AI can replace human jobs as every people are using AI, and AI can be dangerous, but it's very useful. We have to use it very carefully.
Very well done. Very good. To some extent, AI can replace humans, but not everywhere. I feel this. Yeah. Now Mayank is left and Ayush is left. Mayank.
My name is Mahendra and I study in class 3rd. Today's topic is on AI. Yeah, AI can be replace human jobs. Uh, like it will be also dangerous. We will only use it meticulously.
Meticulously. Meticulously.
Then we don't will use meticulously dangerous. Thank you.
Very well done. Very good. Ayush, you try.
My name is Ayush. I read in class 5th. Today topic is AI. The full form of AI is artificial intelligence, and in China it is new technology. It is very dangerous. We use it very carefully. The example of
We should use it very carefully.
the example we should use it very carefully. The example of AI is ChatGPT, Google.
Very nice. I mean, you can ask any question to Google, to ChatGPT, to Gemini, like so many artificial intelligence, so many platforms are there where you can conveniently ask any question. If you have any query, you can ask.
Chatbot is also there. Chatbot.
Chatbot is also there, absolutely. So although AI is doing wonders nowadays, everything it makes within seconds, within fraction of seconds. But yeah, using technology wisely is very important. We should not be fully dependent on this. है ना? Always try to use your brain first, and then dependency should not be there. Should not be dependent on AI. Only AI will make my PDF or everything. So yeah, so that was
Ma'am,
very
AI is
insightful.
either good or bad.
Yeah,
AI is either
Both,
good or
both.
bad.
it is.
Ma'am, Shreyansh is also here.
Okay, both.
It is no doubt very.
80% good.
No, it
Man,
is.
jack of all trades.
Yeah, of course, it's jack of all trades, but use it wisely. Don't be dependent on it. No? And
Ma'am,
that.
Shreyansh don't
It's
tell any sentence.
it's if we talk it by a good suggestions, it will talk us with good suggestions. If we talk it with a bad suggestion, it will give us bad
Okay,
suggestions.
okay,
It's
students.
neutral.
This class is going to get over, so let me conclude this. That was very insightful session, and where all of you spoke really very well. So keep up the good work. Nice.